Regardless of the weather, I will go for a walk. If you are not careful, you could get into difficulty. I absolutely do not agree with your statement. I found myself in a difficult situation and didn't know what to do. I definitely do not recommend you to try that move. It's always best to be truthful, even if it's hard. By the end of this practice session, you will learn how to make these simple sentences. Welcome to English Practice Every Day. In Lesson 2, we learned few mental chunks. In this practice session, we will repeat some phrasal chunks that help us in forming simple sentences. Right now, our aim is to make your mind familiar with these chunks. Don't worry about when and where to use them. Just get your mind familiar to these by saying them repeatedly. Repeat after me. Regardless, regardless, regardless. Absolutely not, absolutely not, absolutely not. In control, in control, in control. Take control, take control, take control. Definitely not, definitely not, definitely not. Given certain circumstances, given certain circumstances, given certain circumstances. Under no circumstance, under no circumstance, under no circumstance. Arrive at a decision, arrive at a decision, arrive at a decision. In my opinion, in my opinion, in my opinion. Take a risk, take a risk, take a risk. Unmanageable, unmanageable, unmanageable. By chance, by chance, by chance. Meet your target, meet your target, meet your target. On duty, on duty, on duty. Out of this world, out of this world, out of this world. Take a firm stand, take a firm stand, take a firm stand. Break the ice, break the ice, break the ice. Go get it, go get it, go get it. Settle the dispute, settle the dispute, settle the dispute. As usual, as usual, as usual. Pick up the phone, pick up the phone, pick up the phone. Give away, give away, give away. Take a shower, take a shower, take a shower. As far as I know, as far as I know, as far as I know. That's good, that's good, that's good. No one to blame, no one to blame, no one to blame. At full speed, at full speed, at full speed. Make a promise, make a promise, make a promise. Out of reach, out of reach, out of reach. Pay for, pay for, pay for. At any cost, at any cost, at any cost. A plan of action, a plan of action, a plan of action. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter, It doesn't matter. Encounter difficulties. Encounter difficulties. Encounter difficulties. Later on. Later on. Later on. Wasted or lost. Wasted or lost. Wasted or lost. From start to finish. From start to finish. From start to finish. Eventually. 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 Sound asleep. Sound asleep. Sound asleep. On fire. On fire. On fire. Extinguish a fire. Extinguish a fire. Extinguish a fire. Set something on fire. Set something on fire. Set something on fire. Be destroyed by fire. Be destroyed by fire. Be destroyed by fire. In an instant. In an instant. In an instant. Without cost. Without cost. Without cost. Make a commotion. Make a commotion. Make a commotion. These things happen. These things happen. These things happen. Remain unharmed. Remain unharmed. Remain unharmed. There is no harm in. There is no harm in. There is no harm in. With all your heart. With all your heart. With all your heart. With all your heart. Here and there. Here and there. Here and there. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Think highly of. Think highly of. Think highly of. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Hold your breath. Go on vacation. Go on vacation. Go on vacation. Hope for the best. Hope for the best. Hope for the best. Have high expectations. Have high expectations. Have high expectations. Within an hour. Within an hour. Within an hour. Hurriedly. 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 Have no knowledge. Have no knowledge. Have no knowledge. If I were in your position. If I were in your position. If I were in your position. Has become ill. Has become ill. Has become ill. Leave an impression on. Leave an impression on. Leave an impression on. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Stay silent. Stay silent. Stay silent. Keep a secret. Keep a secret. Keep a secret. Least of all. Least of all. Least of all. Not at all. Not at all. Not at all. As long as. As long as. as long as, appears as though, appears as though, appears as though, become insane, become insane, become insane. What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? A gentle and unassuming person. A gentle and unassuming person. A gentle and unassuming person. Alter your decision. Alter your decision. Alter your decision. It doesn't bother me. It doesn't bother me. It doesn't bother me. Too excellent to pass up. Too excellent to pass up. Too excellent to pass up. That's all for this session. Please keep practicing with patience. We will do more practice every day to get your mind familiar with such mental chunks. Bye for now.